Yes, AI can take over the world. However, if we take a decentralized perspective, instead of training one massive model, we train multiple tiny models across the world, then we can keep control of the AI models. From the energy perspective, the idea behind implementing AI into the electrical grid can drastically improve both our climate justice conversation and our social justice conversation. However, if we train one model, AI model, at a national perspective, that AI model will end up having the same problems as all of our energy sectors has today, in terms of corruption, in terms of no transparency, in terms of no control. However, if we train different smaller AI models and place them at different municipalities, now we end up with a considerably safer scenario. The problem with decentralization is that it becomes an accounting logistical nightmare. And that's where, and again, the technology, it exists to solve these problems. When it comes to that accounting nightmare, that's where blockchain comes in. It's instant, it's transparent, and it's automated, right? And so now all of your accounting isn't being done on a book that's being controlled by one minister. Your accounting is being done on software that is proven to be considerably safer, considerably more transparent than any other solution. So now, if we take a decentralized AI approach, we also need to consider a blockchain approach. And that blockchain will allow us to sell kilowatt hours in between customers. So if I've got solar roof panel on my house, but my neighbors don't, instead of my neighbors having to buy from Eskom the centralized power, they can buy from me. They can buy from anyone else with solar panels. Even from a municipal perspective, if you have one rich municipality and one poor municipality right next to each other, the rich municipality can sell electricity to the poor municipality. If we have AI, if we have decentralized blockchains. The only problem when it comes to these technologies is not that they can't be developed, is that there are so many regulations that are so different between all the countries that we need to fine-tune the technology to match the regulations. That's fine, but it drastically slows down the process. If we had more open and free energy policies instead of people trying to maintain control, which from a historical perspective has some merit to it, but from a technologically development perspective, from a climate change perspective, from a social justice perspective, it purely and absolutely hinders development. And so for us to both fine-tune the technology and fine-tune the energy regulations, that's our go-to. That'll allow us to make energy blockchains, AI within the energy sector, ensure that we make social justice conscious decisions in developing our technology. And above all, make sure that everybody is free and equal and fair. Social justice.